Welcome to the Compass Guide Research Training Resources, published by AGILE Research Limited. My name is Sandra Mandic, and I'm the author of these videos and the Compass Guide books for beginners and postgraduate students. These materials have been designed to help you navigate the research process smoothly and successfully complete your research project. Buckle up and enjoy the learning journey. This short video provides guidelines for preparing a research proposal. Research proposals provide a context, rationale, and research methods for a planned research project. In essence, a research proposal contains a literature review or background section and description of a proposed research methods. In an academic setting, you will come across different types of research proposals, such as proposals for postgraduate research projects, proposals for ethics applications, research grant proposals, and proposals submitted as part of scholarship applications. Research proposals need to be prepared according to the specific requirements of an institution or a funding body. This presentation provides recommendations for preparing a postgraduate research proposal. Let's have a look at the components and generic structure of a research proposal. The title of your proposal should be brief and ideally would reflect your research question. A research proposal should include information about the research team, list researchers involved, and the institutions they belong to. Ideally, the proposal would include a brief summary at the beginning, written in lay language. The summary should provide an overview of the rationale for your research question, proposed research methods, and importance of the proposed research. The background and rationale section answers the question why a particular piece of research is being proposed. In postgraduate research proposals, this would be a literature review section. The content and length of this section varies greatly based on the purpose for which the proposal is written. Know the guidelines and follow them. A research proposal should clearly state the study purpose or research question and include a description of the proposed research methods. This is the main part of a research proposal. The proposal should also include information on significance and implications of the proposed study. This section is particularly important for research grant applications and may be one of the key criteria for determining whether the funding is allocated or not to a particular research project. The proposal should also include the project milestones and timelines for achieving them. Research proposals prepared for funding applications should include the details on budget required for completing a proposed research project. Usually, postgraduate research proposals do not have a budget section. Finally, reference lists should be included at the end of the document. As in other pieces of your academic writing, use common academic conventions and reference style for reporting references in your scientific discipline or field. This slide presents visually research proposal sections put together. As discussed, the main sections of your research proposal will be background and rationale section, which is your literature review, and the section describing your proposed research methods. Research proposals should communicate what is already known about a particular research topic and what the knowledge gaps are. The proposal should also clearly outline research questions, describe the proposed research methods, and provide information about project cost and implementation. As discussed on the previous slide, the proposal should also include a brief summary, details about the research team, and information related to significance and implications of the proposed research. Supplementary documents could be included in the appendix. Academic research proposals nowadays usually need to include plans for dissemination of research results and research impact beyond academia, and how those will be achieved. For more information on writing a literature review and research methods, refer to the Compass Guide Research Training books and relevant YouTube videos, How to Write a Literature Review and How to Write Up Research Methods. Keep in mind that research methods sections differ slightly depending on the purpose for which they're written. When you're writing a research proposal, which outlines the plan for your research, Methods section should be written using the future tense, since it describes how the research will be conducted. In contrast, when you're writing a research report, including a thesis or a scientific journal article, methods section should be written using the past tense, since it describes how the research was conducted. Therefore, if you write a research proposal before starting your research, the methods section from your research proposal will need to be rewritten using the past tense for inclusion in your research report at a later date. For more guidance, refer to the Compass Guide research training books for beginners and postgraduate students. Both books are available for purchase on AGILE Research website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. Check also my other videos on YouTube channel Compass Guide Research Training and sign up for AGILE Research newsletter to receive our updates. Happy learning!